Hi there, welcome back to this video. If you have a long, tiring day where you have worked a lot, sat a lot over a chair, then this evening yoga flow is a perfect suit for you to de stress yourself. All you need yourself, a wall, a yoga mat, and a will to flow with me. First and foremost, sit comfortably over your yoga mat. You can also practice it in your bed or in couch. Place your hands to the sides, stretch them in a straight line. Hold your hands and try not to let them drop down and continue breathing. And after a couple of rounds of breath, with inhale, you raise both the hands over your head. Now, again, try to keep them straight over your head. Hold the pose and breathe. Now, bring both the palms together and with the exhale, bring it to the heart center. Again, inhale, take them over the head, palms together, heart center. Inhale, exhale, bring it down to heart center. Now take your hands to the sides of your body in cactus arm. Bring them down together, palms facing down. And with inhale, bring the palm up. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and inhale. Now place your palms over your shoulder blades and bring both the elbows together and start making the shoulder rolls. First clockwise, 3 to 5 rounds, or maybe up to 10 rounds. And then anti-clockwise from back to forward. Do it very mindfully. Now, once you are done with this, gently bring your hands over the knees. Interlock the fingers at the back of your head. Inhale, gentle back bend, look back. Exhale, drop your forward body down and breathe over here. Inhale, exhale, inhale, look up. Exhale, go forward. Inhale this time here and exhale to your left side. Stretch it out. Give a good, nice stretch and opening to right side of your body. Exhale again, come back. Inhale to your right. And then again with exhale, come back to center in neutral position. Now from here, get onto all your fours where your hips and knees are in a line. Shoulders and palms are in a line. Adjust yourself. You can tuck your toes in or out as per your comfort. Now fold the right palm and give a good stretch to your wrist. Do the same from the left palm. Shift the weight over your hands and start making circle clockwise and anti-clockwise while keeping the lower body intact as it is. Now inhale, look up, and exhale, curl your spine. Again inhale, look up, and exhale all the way down and look at the navel or in between the knees. Inhale again, create an extension, and exhale, roll your spine. Now with inhale, gently take right hand and left leg stretched. With exhale, lower down your hand and then eventually your leg. Again, inhale this time, left hand and right leg. Stretch, exhale, lower down. Now from here, gently lower down your knees and hips over your feet, and inhale, you put your body forward and exhale to child pose. Inhale, you move your body forward and then exhale, bring it back to child pose. Again, inhale here and then exhale, come back and then inhale again and exhale with control, come back. Inhale, exhale. Now lower down your hips over your heels, extend your arms in front of the body. Now take the left hand into thread the needle pose and hold the pose and continue breathing. Keep breathing. Exhale. And this time practice from the other side. Take the right hand underneath your left underarm and hold the thread the needle while continuing to breathe, while keeping the hips right up facing the ceiling, and breathe nicely. Now with exhale, release and lower down and get into again a child pose, and this time bring your elbows down, palms over the shoulder blades, and feel the nice gentle stretch on your upper body and feel how the blood is flowing nicely from your upper body and arms. Now again, extend the arms in front of the body in extended puppy pose and hold it and let all the nervous system feel relaxed, soothed, calm and comfortable. Let your body feel more relaxed and rejuvenated and very away from the stress. Now bring the palms down and gently lift up your knees and get into a downward facing dog from there. Now place your feet hip width apart or little less than that as per your comfort and start paddling one knee at a time. Now bring the right foot next to the right palm while keeping the left leg back as it is without folding it. Now with exhale, bring it back. Again, fold the right knee and with inhale, bring it to next to right palm. Hold it up there. Take a couple of rounds of breath and then with exhale, bring it back to where it was. Now paddle the left feet and bring the left feet right next to the left palm. Hold it up there, back to downward facing dog. Again, inhale, bend the left knee and bring the feet next to the left palm. Exhale, release and start paddling your knees one at a time while having a strong grip over your upper arm. Now hold the downward facing dog and breathe really nice. Now from here, take the right foot in between both the palms, lower down the left knee, get into a supported lower lunge. You take the wall support for a better alignment and keep your chest open, straight, and keep your hips squared, not leaning either side, and use your right knee to align you to go a little down in the lower lunge. If possible, give a gentle back bend. And then from here, bring both the knees back. Now again, lift back to downward facing dog. And this time bring the left foot in between both the palm. Again, take the wall support and get into a lower lunge. Let your left knee align you to go as deep as you can. And if possible, inhale, give a gentle back bend to your body and while keeping a good support with the wall. Now bring back the left foot to original position and this time fold the right leg and get into a pigeon stretch. Hold it up there. Keep the back leg active and extended really nice. And I have the forearm, upper arm in front of the body and you can take a couple of rounds of breath in this hold. And then with inhale, very gently come upright and then fold the left leg and get into a pigeon stretch. Again, right leg active at the back, squared hips and the arms supporting to get into a deeper stretch from the left side of the hip. And then again exhale, gently come up and release the pose. And from here, sit up in Vajrasana, where your hips are over your heels, hands are over your knees. Hold it up there, take few breaths, keep your chin parallel to the floor for a better alignment. Check and just let the water is falling from the back as it is and hold up tight with your breath. Now from here, gently lie down over your belly on the yoga mat. Place your hands, elbows with ease. Your shoulder and elbows should be in a line as far as possible. And extend, keep the back foot active. Hold the simple back bend. And remember to breathe. Breathe nicely. And then hold up there. Continue to hold the pose. And then bend one knee and grab the feet using the right leg. Extend the left hand in front of the body or just keep it bent. Keep the left leg really active and then release the right leg. Fold the left leg as it is, the way you did from the right side, and hold up there and breathe. Let your hips and hamstrings also feel the nice stretch. Now extend the legs. Now from here, very mindfully lie down on your back over the yoga mat. Bend both the knees together and then first bend right foot while having the left leg in the 90-degree angle. Let your hips feel the burn and feel rejuvenated out of it. Now with the exhale, change your side to the left side. Bring the left foot over the right knee and keep breathing. And then eventually with exhale, release. Now from here, bring both the knees together and try to grab the heel of your feet using both the hands. And then with inhale, lift up. Hold the pose and continue to breathe. Remember to breathe nicely. And feel, and then eventually with exhale, lower down. Bring both the knees close to your chest. Lift up your head if you can, and let your body feel the rejuvenation from this practice, the calmness of this practice. Tell yourself a big thank you for choosing to practice despite having such a long and tiring day. Now, come up and sit up straight using the wall and sit in butterfly Baddha Konasana if you can. Bring both the feet close to the groin together and hands over the feet or over the knees or wherever you want. Close your eyes if you haven't already and take some breath, the weird breath. As you inhale, your belly goes up, and as you exhale, your belly goes down. Feel the breath, feel the calmness, feel the relaxation of your nervous system. Just let it absorb in your body and thank your body and your mind to choose to practice and make yourself better. Absorb the calmness, the quietness, the natural breathing pattern of your body. And whenever you start feeling ending the practice, start making some gentle movements, hands over the knees, and gently start making some movement. Rub your palms, gather the energy over your face. And I hope you had a good time practicing with me. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Like I always say, keep practicing. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.